Wow, look at them. Wow.
I want to go there. Happy birthday, Nanyama.
Happy birthday, Nanyama.
It's because it's my Nanyama's birthday today. It's always on the 1st of January.
Mine's on 23rd.
Hooray! It's the 1st of January and I didn't even know that. It is.
2 more days till holidays are finished. Come on. Oh. So many people have been hurt. No. From gunmen. These people with guns. This is at the bottom.
Can you shut up?
I told you that I went to hospital. Do you guys really do this?
No.
Oh. What are the 21? Carol. I like all of them. They're Carol thing.
Alina, you should take a video.
Caroline's World. There's 21 that are called Caroline's World. Wow.
I guess this was the first time that Mummy didn't get to see the London fireworks.
I think she went without us.
Mommy's there.
Where? What, in London?
No.
She could be in London. Where did she go?
She went to help a friend or something.
No, no. It's not 3 a.m. yet, look. It's 1 a.m. No. Yeah, it says 12 a.m. No, it's 1.
Alina, it's still 12 a.m.
Mama! Oh, wow.
I can't believe we've actually watched the fireworks without Husna.
Sorry, she can see them tomorrow.
How come? Are they on tomorrow?
Tomorrow night as well, yeah.
Oh, yay. That means we get to stay up.
You were saying
I want to stay, but I can't. It's full.
Hey, because it's your nan's birthday.
Yeah, we're staying.
Slide video of it. Slide video of it.
No, I'm videoing. I'm just showing my nanny and ma how, because it's her birthday today, and
How old is she?
I don't know.
How old was she yesterday?
I don't know.
Today is her birthday. So how old is she? I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna sit down. That's why I wanted to go.
Me too.
Rainbows, they're everywhere. I know it is. Let's go.
I wish I was the queen, so I tell you why.
Shush, please. I'm making movie. Shush. I'm ringing my daddy. He wants to talk to him. Mommy, I know you do. Mommy, I know you do. Fresh. Yeah, fresh.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! I want to be with you. Sabrina wants to do one as well. Slide to one. Oh, you should go around.
Quickly, quick. I think they're nearly end.
Happy New Year. want to say something to surprise us? La la la. Don't put your hand there. Mommy, are you going to show Mommy?
Yeah. Mommy, look.
Is that the
Look. That's it.
a big one? That looks so